Hi, my name is Ewuradwoa Nkrumah Nyameye Odum. I'm a fourth-year student of K University Reading Actuarial Science. Finance Hub has given me an opportunity to learn about Microsoft Excel and Python. Honestly speaking, we calculate numbers in Excel, but I didn't know that I had other functions, and Finance Hub has really opened my eyes. And today we had the opportunity to study a bit about Python, and it's been a very wonderful journey. I'm excited because I'm learning new things. I hope to become a data analyst in the future, and I believe this is an opportunity for me to start becoming one. And I also want to especially thank our sponsors for this opportunity. You've really helped us, and we promise not to let you down. God bless you.